Hello everyone and welcome back to another video in the series of Partnership Fundamentals. Now this will be the last video for Partnership Fundamentals here because we have dealt with mostly everything, the tidbits, the interest in capital, interest in drawings, loan, salary, commission and guarantee and past adjustments. So now it's the time to take a sum where we can have most of it in it, a comprehensive sum, and then we solve it so that everything can be just revised once and we get the feel of solving the whole sum together. Okay, so let us have a quick look at the sum. And yes, before that, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and also like my videos if you find them worth it. Okay, and of course press the bell icon to get the constant notifications. Thank you. So here is the sum. Quite a few appropriations. Just take a screenshot and let's get started. Alright. So I hope you have read the sum well. Sum में बहुत सारे appropriations हैं. So let us take them one by one. सबसे पहले देख लो कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं है कि जो net profit गलत हो. Meaning charge against profit जो है like interest on loan, rent to partner, manager's commission, all these are charges against profit. तो ये सब पहले ही माइनस हो जाना चाहिए था नेट प्रॉफिट से. अगर ऐसा कुछ भी आइटम दिया है तो सबसे पहले उसको नेट प्रॉफिट में एडजस्टमेंट करेंगे, उसके बाद अप्रोप्रिएशन आइटम्स में जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो हियर I first think when I draft my PL appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2020, I bring my net profit here which is given. बोल रहा है कि 1,49,600 है नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर एनी ऑफ द अबव एडजस्टमेंट्स. मतलब यहाँ पे ना तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन माइनस हुआ है, ना रेंट माइनस हुआ है, ना मैनेजर्स कमीशन माइनस हुआ है. सो हियर वी विल हैव टू फर्स्ट थिंग एडजस्ट ऑल दोस थिंग्स. So here that is why I have kept it in the inner column. This is not my correct net profit. I have to adjust these items and then bring out the correct net profit in the outer column. So if that is the case, let us find out interest on loan. Interest on loan is 2,50,000. Sorry, the loan is 2,50,000. और interest on loan क्या है 8% per annum. Now 8% per annum is given in the deed. So please, ये जो by default जो 6% per annum है ना, उसको कुछ नहीं करना है अभी. Many people get confused and rate दिया हो तो भी 6% per annum ले लेते हैं. There's no need to get confused, right? Deed is above the provisions. So यहाँ पे 6% ले लेंगे. The given 8% we will take, okay? But we will not take it for the full year. Why? Because the interest, that is the loan, was taken on 1st of July. तो interest भी 1st of July से charge करेंगे, right? So 1st of July to 31st of March. The partner will receive interest only for 9 months. So 9 months, 9 by 12. So this comes out to be 15,000. That 15,000 I need to subtract from the given net profit. So 15,000 I subtract from 1,49,600. ठीक है. Interest on loan done. Next, partner's rent. Sita is supposed to get a rent of 1,000 per month. So 12 months, 12,000. 12,000 देना उसको, वो भी माइनस कर दो. Sita's rent is also a charge against profit. ये भी माइनस कर दिया. Third one is manager's commission. यहाँ पे पार्टनर का कमीशन अलग है, अप्रोप्रिएशन है, पार्टनर को जाना है. But manager's commission is very much a charge against profit because manager is the employee of the business. तो employee को जो भी देते हैं salary, wages, ये सब appropriation नहीं, ये सब charges हैं. Commission भी charge, right? So commission is given as 1% of the turnover. 1% of turnover कितना होता है? 10,000. ठीक है? 10 lakhs दिया हुआ turnover. Turnover मतलब sales. तो उसका 10,000 मैनेजर को कमीशन मिलेगा. फाइन. सो मैनेजर्स कमीशन 10,000 वो भी माइनस. These three are the charges against profit in this sum. तो ये तीनों को हमने माइनस कर दिया है. And I have got here the correct net profit. ठीक है. 1,12,600. 600. This is the correct net profit that has come in the outer column of the PL appropriation account. Now, coming to the remaining appropriations. Interest on capital देने बोला है, ठीक है? It is said that interest on capital is to be provided. At what rate is it mentioned? Look for it in the whole sum. Rate दिया है interest on capital का? नहीं दिया है. Okay. तो किस रेट पे लिया जाए? 6% पर आना आ रहा है क्या दिमाग में? Immediately put a cross against that because that's a very big mistake many students make. Interest on capital पे कोई default rate नहीं है. वो सिर्फ interest on loan पे है. ठीक है? So when interest on capital rate is not given, you cannot calculate interest on capital. ठीक है? Incomplete है, information complete नहीं है deed में. Therefore, no interest on capital will be given. Period. Okay? So please take a notice. These are some little tricks that might come here. यहाँ पे 6% बिल्कुल मत लेना, पूरा सम गलत हो जाएगा. Now coming to Sita's commission. Sita is supposed to get double that of, twice that of the manager's commission in any year. मतलब इस साल उसको कितना मिला मैनेजर को 10,000, तो उसका डबल 20,000 मिलेगा सीता को कमीशन. So Sita's commission comes to 20,000. Alright? Done. Now salary to Ram is straight away given as 35,000 per annum. बहुत सारे ये confusions होते हैं. Per month, per annum, बहुत clearly पढ़ना सबको. Per annum दिया है मतलब पूरे साल का already दे दिया है, इसमें 12 into 12 मत कर देना. So salary to Ram is 35,000. Alright? 35,000 is debited to appropriation account. चलो वो भी है. Now, apart from all these, I did not have any other appropriation. This one, transfer to contingency reserve, is said that you transfer 10% of the profits after all appropriations. तो सारा appropriation कर दिया. Okay, interest on drawings also I have missed out to explain. Interest on drawings has also been done. I'll come back to that. उसके बाद में आ रहा है profits 60,000. So 10% of 60,000. How did I get this 60,000? This 1,12,600 plus the interest on drawings. We have added this. I've got 1,15,000. उसमें से 35,000 और ये 20,000 gone for rent and commission. So 60,000 was left. उसका 10% contingency reserve में transfer हो गया. Contingency मतलब emergency reserve. अब कोई भी रिजर्व हो, किसी भी नाम से भी रिजर्व क्रिएट करने बोले, इट्स द सेम थिंग, राइट? दैट रिजर्व विल बी क्रेडिटेड एंड अप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट विल बी डेबिटेड. तो ये 6,000 भी चला गया उसमें से, राइट? नाउ कमिंग टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग्स. इट इज सेड दैट बोथ पार्टनर्स हैव विथड्रॉन in every quarter. ठीक है? 5,000 per quarter they have withdrawn. कितने क्वार्टर्स होते हैं साल में? 4 quarters. So total amount withdrawn is 5,000 into 4, right? So here we need the average period formula. So Ram has withdrawn 5,000 for each quarter, so 20,000. Rate of interest on drawings is given as 12%. तो 12% ले लिया. और average period क्या होता है? Beginning of quarter के लिए 7.5 by 12. मिडिल होता तो 6 by 12 और एंड ऑफ क्वार्टर होता है 4.5 by 12. You already discussed this. So here this is how we have got the interest on drawings for Ram and Sita. 1,500 and 900. Total is 2,400. Alright. So all that done here. Coming to this last part. This total minus 1, 2, 3. Comes to 54,000. This is the profit that is now available with me to be distributed among Ram and Sita. Profit sharing ratio क्या है? 2:1. So 2:1 की ratio में हम पहले straight divide करेंगे. I know there's a guarantee clause here, right? But first thing we will divide it normally. So 54,000 2:1 के ratio में divide करेंगे अगर, so it comes to 36,000 and 9,000 in the ratio of 2:1. 1. तो 18,000 आ रहा है, सॉरी 2:1 18,000. अब मिनिमम गारंटी कितना है? 25,000. So 25,000 तो नहीं हुआ नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से, so I have to make the redistribution adjustment for the deficit. So 18,000 है, इसको मुझे करना है कितना? 25,000. So to pull it up to 25,000, how much do I have to add? 7,000. So Sita was originally getting 18. We add 7,000 to it, we get 25,000. So her guarantee is done. Okay. Of course, this 7,000 doesn't drop from the heaven. Ram has to sacrifice, so Ram के share में से minus कर दो. 36 मिल रहा था, now 7 less, he is getting 29. Here, so this 54 is distributed not as 36 and 18, it is distributed as 29 and 25. It is coming to 54, right? यहाँ 7 ज़्यादा हो गया सीता के पास और राम के पास 7 कम हो. Okay? So now given all this, a few information like opening capital. Opening capital दिया तो क्या करना है? Nothing. Because interest on capital नहीं calculate करना था. Redundant information for me. So here please be very careful. The council also gives tricky questions these days. So please use all your previous knowledge properly and be confident, while doing the sum. Alright? So I hope this entire solution is clear. And this is how you close your PL appropriation account. Okay? So happy solving more sums. Keep subscribing to my keep subscribing and keep being updated with my videos. Next videos will be again on different topics. So please don't miss out. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching.